Hey, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Welcome back to day 28 of our 2021 challenge. Hey, welcome back, guys. So we're on day 28 of this weight loss challenge I started back in February. My goal was to lose 21 pounds in the year 2021. So I asked some friends on Facebook and YouTube to join me, and so far we have 3,000 people that have signed up. If you'd like to know more details on the challenge, I'll put a link down here. There's also going to be a video card up here that you can watch too. So, how are we doing this challenge? Well, I'm doing very well so far. I've lost 11 pounds, and it's easy. We're just eating clean, we're eating real food, and we're exercising a little bit. So I'll show you my stats. On February 24th, I weighed 200 pounds, and this morning I weighed 189. It flickered 187.5 before it went to 189. So it's teasing me. I know it. It's teasing me. I'm going to beat it. You watch. I will. My blood pressure back then was 145 over 91. This morning it was 126 over 76. Not as low as it has been, but I'll take it. That's with no medication. I'll show you a picture of my blood pressure cuff right here. And even though it's discouraging that the weight may not be moving or the blood pressure cuff is not dropping like it was, if you put everything into a spreadsheet and print out a graph, it can show you the big picture. And I'll show you my graph here. The first 10 pounds, as you can see, went pretty well. It went pretty easily. It's the last 10 pounds that's always the toughest. So that's where I'm at right now. We're doing this by eating real food, I said. Like, for example, my breakfast is always oatmeal. I usually have blueberries and a banana mixed in. This morning I had pineapple because I'm out of blueberries. Cut up a banana, stir that in. I have one slice of Ezekiel toast with a little spread of Marmite. For lunch today, I had my chili, my best damn vegan chili ever, because it is. It's won awards, folks. People enter that in chili cook-offs all over the country, and they win. I should do that. It's my recipe. I should do that. I want a trophy. That was dinner last night too, by the way. And I'll have a link for all the recipes I talk about down here in the bottom, and there'll be a video card up here in the corner too. And for dinner tonight, I really don't know yet. I haven't got that far. I had a really good testimonial I want to read to you, and it has a picture that goes with it, and I'll show you that too. And anytime you guys send me a really nice testimonial like this, either on Facebook or YouTube or wherever, I will have to share them here in the video. So send them. Keep sending them, please. Comment. She says, "Hi, Chuck. I just want to give you a huge thank you for showing us your blood pressure every day. Because you did this, you encouraged me to pull out my blood pressure machine." Well, I was pretty surprised at the numbers. So far, for the past week and a half, I've monitored my blood pressure, and my numbers were all over the place. In one of your videos, you spoke about how high your blood pressure was on the day you had your stroke. Yeah, it was crazy high. This scared the bejeebies out of me. I like that word. Bejeebies. If you're in a bad mood, just say that word. Bejeebies. That'll make you smile. There we go. I was on blood pressure medicine for many years after giving birth to my daughter. 2.5 years ago, I decided I was going to eat plant-based whole food. No salt, no oil, no sugar. No processed food. It took me quite a while, but I was eventually able to go off 2 blood pressure medications. Yay for me. Yay for you. That's right. Well, then COVID happened. COVID messed up a lot of stuff. I mean, that's why I'm here. COVID wait, right? The COVID 25. What a crappy year 2020 was. Well, then COVID happened, and while I'm still whole food plant-based, I started eating junk food. Yep. Gained some weight. Yep. I never checked my blood pressure, though, until your challenge. I put a call in to my doctor yesterday, and I started a very low dose of medication. And in the last picture, you can see that my numbers are better today. Good for you. That was very smart. I'm glad you did that. I don't plan on being on this med for very long, and I'm already improving my food choices. I don't know how to say thank you enough for being open about your stroke and your blood pressure numbers. Without that, I would not have checked. I'm so grateful for all of your openness about your health and your positive videos. Sorry this was so long. You're welcome. I mean, that's why I do it. I have nothing to hide. I want to inspire people to take control of your health like you just did. You know, I'm no different than you or anybody else. Yeah, I'm a blogger, but I'm not one of those young kids on YouTube that wears bikinis, obviously, or has their shirt off and showing their muscles and all of that. I'm in the trenches with the rest of you, trying to have the same results as you. I want to lose weight and lower my blood pressure. I'm no different. We're all in this together. So if I can inspire you to do something like that just by being 100% open and honest, I'm going to do that. I've always believed in 100% transparency, and that's why. Okay, testimonial done. As I mentioned, I am stalling my weight loss right now. I'm in a plateau of 189. It's been there for a few days. What will I do about it? I'm going to drink more water, for one. If you gained water weight because of salt, whatever, drinking more water is going to help flush. So that's step one. Drink more water. I'm going to eat more veg, a lot more veg. It could be easy just to fill up on the starches because I love potatoes and I love hash browns and that kind of thing, and beans. But they're kind of higher in calories compared to the greens and the veggies and the salads and stuff. So I think McDougall talks about 50-50 plate, 50 starch, 50 veg. If you're stalling, you might make that 75 veg and 25 starch. Mix it up. Do something different. Eat more greens. That's what Dr. Esselstyn would say. And exercise more. I did walk today. I'm going to show you pictures of my walk when I close the video. I'm going to take you with me and let you see some of the stuff we have here in Oregon. So exercise more. Even if it's 5 extra minutes on the treadmill or 5 extra minutes on the VR or an extra walk, an extra block or two on your walk. Parking farther away from the grocery store and walking a few extra steps. Whatever you can do, that'll help. And the last one, you'll laugh at this if you watched yesterday's video. It's try to stress less. If you watch the video, and I'll put a link to that video up here. It's kind of funny. These videos are not easy to make, especially when you're fumbling your words and you're tongue twisted and you're tired and you've done 28 of them in a row every single day for 28 days in a row. But stress can do weird things to your blood pressure. It can help you retain weight. It messes up all kinds of things. So really, I need to stress less. And thank you for all the comments about not doing video every single day. We'll see. I appreciate all the comments, though, both on my Facebook page and on my YouTube channel. Please leave comments down below. I read every single one of them. I love them. Thank you for all those comments. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, by the way, I'll put a link over, here for that. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. The audio is actually recording this time. So again, if you watch last night's video where everything goes wrong, I've already done this one 3 times because the last time my audio wasn't recording. So I was talking to a dead camera that wasn't picking up anything. Fun stuff. Anyway, that's all I got. I will see you tomorrow for day 29 of our 2021 challenge. This is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the pictures.
Those days when the world don't give you no grace, you'd rather fly away and keep on going higher, but they keep dragging you down. There's really only one way to go. You need to crawl back on your feet and keep on fighting. And don't ever stop. Don't look over your shoulder. Don't ever look back. No use for second opinion.